Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be going over some minimalist fashion tips. You guys always ask me about my clothes and my wardrobe and all that good stuff, so I'm going to give you guys a couple of tips from items that I currently own. This is going to help give your wardrobe that minimalist vibe or aesthetic with just a few stable pieces. So right into it, I'm going to start off with structured tops. Structured tops are kind of like a must-have for a minimalist wardrobe. Most minimalistic pieces are very basic and or don't have a lot going on, so it's best to pull out those significant pieces, like taking note of structure or design in specific types of clothing. Following that theory, definitely paying attention to color of clothing. So for example, my wardrobe has a lot of beiges and whites this season. In the colder months, I usually go towards grays and blacks. So for the next item, I will say Airy Pieces. I don't know what it is about Airy Pieces, but a lot of minimalist shops that you see out there or online stores have a lot of pieces that look airy or are kind of baggy or don't fit tightly. And these are great pieces to start off with, especially if you're going for that kind of style. It's very comfortable to wear those kinds of clothing. Another tip is to stick to versatile pieces. For example, this leotard can be worn with shorts, pants, sweaters, leather jacket, and each different clothing item you style it with will make the leotard look different in its own specific way. Another tip is staple dresses and blazers. This dress right here I wear all the time. It's perfect for summer. If it's a little bit chillier outside, I could top it with a sweater. It's not too long and it's not too short, and it fits my body very well, and it gives off that nice visual appeal. And blazers are always good. Those are definitely my staple jackets. And then my last tip is going to be visually interesting pieces. A lot of people tell me their wardrobes feel boring. So if you are scared of being a minimalist because you're afraid of having boring clothes, look for things that are visually appealing. This top in itself is a very basic piece, but with the ruffles and the design on the front and the flowy sleeves, it just takes it to a whole nother level, and it still stays within that minimal and beigey tone. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like another video like this, don't hesitate to comment below, and don't forget to have a great day.